फोन पे में कॉल करने के लिए धन्यवाद। मेरा नाम पवन है जी, बताया मैं आपको किस तरह सहायता कर सकता हूँ?
Hi,
Hello.
from Karnataka.
Yes sir, how may I help you?
I'm facing from past 3 days unable to load account balance problem in PhonePe.
Okay.
Why is it happening so?
Okay, I completely understand your concern. Don't worry, let me check the details. I'll surely help you. As you're saying that you're unable to check the balance, right?
Right.
Okay, I completely understand your concern. Don't worry.
Is there
Let me
any
check the details.
is there any server down issue going on?
Yes, let me check the details. I'll surely help you. I will provide you the complete details.
Okay.
Be online. Do not disconnect the call.
Okay, sure.
Okay, am I talking to Vikram?
Yes, it is.
Okay, Vikram, thank you for confirming your name. Be online.
Okay.
See, Vikram, as I can check the details over here, as you are saying that you are unable to check the balance.
Yes,
So, I just want to inform you, due to bank technical issue,
Okay.
that's why you are unable to check the balance. As I can see over here, your bank is
SBI.
SBI, State Bank of India. So, in the State Bank of India, you are unable to check the balance due to the State Bank of India is facing technical issue. The technical issue has been facing in the UPI service. That's why you are unable to check the balance, and many customers are facing the same error. So, I request you for some time after the technical error has been completed, you can check the balance, and also you can do the transition.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for calling PhonePe. And I have been send you a survey. Kindly update the survey. It will help you in future.
Sure.
Thank you for calling PhonePe. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.